Hi children, good morning. Today's class we are discuss block 15 length. In this block 15, we are discuss about the different measures of length. How to measure your in length in your notebook length. Use which instrument you used for measuring your that length of your notebook? Yeah, ruler. So that in ruler is centimeter scale. So that is centimeter. Then meter is then millimeter, kilometer. These are the measures of length. So first we are discuss halves and quarters of meter. Half, half and fourth of meter. Did you see the meter scale? Yeah, in meter scale. What is the length of the meter scale? Yeah, it's 100 centimeter. 1 meter scale length is 100 centimeter. Okay. In 1 meter scale length is 100 centimeter. Then take half of that 100. What is the value of half of 100? Yeah, I just cut this meter scale in two equal parts. What do you get? Yeah, 50 centimeters. So half meter is 50 centimeter. Half meter is 50 centimeter. Again, that 50 centimeter I just cut it. What type? Yeah, very good. That is 25 centimeter. So that means again cut means 1 by 4. Half again cut means 1 by 4. 1 by 4 or fourth. Fourth meter is 25 centimeter. Then one half portion and one quarter portion. One half portion and one quarter portion make together. What is the length? Just add. It's 75 centimeter. That is 3/4. 3/4 meter or 3/4 meter. Okay. So 1 meter is equal to 100 centimeter. Half meter is equal to 50 centimeter and quarter meter or 1 by 4th meter is equal to 25 centimeter. 3/4 or 3 by 4th meter is equal to 75 centimeter. It's clear. We can do some problems. Okay, take your notebook. Or not to take your notebook. Write these questions. Take the combination of lengths that make 1 meter. That make 1 meter. Take the combination of lengths that make 1 meter. So here some combinations are given. You want to find which combination given 1 meter. So write the question. A 50 centimeter plus 20 centimeter plus 25 centimeter. Second 25 centimeter, 25 centimeter, 30 centimeter plus 20 centimeter. So dear children, how you find out which combination is given 1 meter? We know that 1 meter is equal to 100 centimeter. 1 meter is equal to 100 centimeters. So we can add these centimeters. We can add these centimeters. If you get which is the 100 centimeter, that is the correct combination of 1 meter. Clear? 50 plus 20 plus 25. What is the value of 50 plus 20? Okay, I'll do here. 50 plus 20 plus 25. Add it. Here 5. 5 plus 2, 7. 7 plus 2, 9. So you will get 95. 95 centimeter is equal to 1 meter? No. So this is not a 1 meter. So next it. 25 plus 25 plus 30 plus 20. So this add is 4. 5 plus 5, 10. So you can write 0 here. 1 as a carry. 2 plus 2, 4. 4 plus 3. Yeah, 7. 7 plus 2, 9. 9 plus 1, 10. So you will get 100 centimeter. This become 100 centimeter. So which combination is equal to the 1 meter? Yes, this 1 meter is equal to 100 centimeter. 1 meter is equal to 100 centimeter. Okay, write the next question. Write whether true or false. Write whether true or false. First question. Half a meter. Half a meter is equal to 5 centimeter. Second question. 25 centimeter make 25 centimeter make 1/4 meter. Makes 1/4 meter. Third question. There is 70 centimeter. There is 70 centimeter in 3/4 of a meter. So half meter is equal to 5 centimeter. That is true or false? Okay. Half a meter. What is the value of half meter? It's 50 centimeter. But here given that 5 centimeter. So this is true or false? Yeah. This is false. Next question. 25 centimeter make 1/4 meter. 1/4 means 1/4. 1/4 centimeter is equal to how much? 1/4 meter is equal to how much centimeter? It's 25 centimeter. So this is true. 25 centimeter make 1/4 meter. 1/4 means 1/4 meter is equal to 25 centimeter. We already write here. Then there is 70 centimeter in 3/4 of meter. 3/4 meter. 3/4 meter. What is the value of 3/4 meter? 75. But here 70 only. This is true or false? Yeah, this is false. So first true, false. Second true, then third false. It's clear. Then write the third question. Write the third question. Anu has a 25 centimeter long string meter. We already know that 1 meter is equal to 100 centimeter. So that means 100 centimeter convert to meter is it's 1 meter. Next 50 centimeter means it's half meter. 25 centimeter. 25 centimeter means 1/4 meter. Then 75 centimeter means 3/4 meter. So which fraction is 25? 1/4 meter. So what fraction of meter is 25 centimeter? 1/4 meter. That's enough. Clear? Okay, before writing the questions, you please write this terms in your one box. You just draw a box and write this. Okay. Next, I told you not only the length unit of length is centimeter, meter also there. You know how to convert centimeter to meter, meter to centimeter? That we are discussed now. So you write the heading centimeter and meter. You know that 1 meter is equal to 100 centimeter. Then half meter is equal to 50 centimeter. 1/4 meter is equal to 25 centimeter. Then 3/4 meter is equal to 75 centimeter. This you want to put in your box. One box. I think that you are write these terms already. The starting of the class. Okay, finish. Then we will discuss how to convert this. First question. Fill in the blanks. Fill in the blanks. Question A. 2 meter is equal to dash centimeter. B. 7 meter is equal to dash centimeter. C. 10 meter is equal to dash centimeter. So we already know that 1 meter is equal to 100 centimeter. 1 meter is equal to 100 centimeter. So 2 meter. 1 meter 100 centimeter. Then 2 meter 100 plus 100. Yeah, 200 centimeter. Then 7 meter. What do you get? 7 times you are to add 100 or any other method. Yes, 7 into 100. 700 centimeter. Then 10 meter means 1000 centimeter. So you just look the how you get 200. 2 into 100. Then here 7 into 100. Here 10 into 100. So how you convert meter to centimeter? Yeah, given number into 100 we got the centimeter. Given meter into 100 you got centimeter. Clear? Okay, write the next question. Convert meter into centimeter. Question A. 4 meter and 50 centimeter. B 8 meter and 30 centimeter. C 12 meter and 14 centimeter. So we want to convert these meters to centimeter. All unit we want to convert to centimeter. So first question, 4 meter and 50 centimeter. Just you convert 4 meter. In 4 meter how much centimeter? Yeah, 4 into 100. 4 into 100 is 400 centimeter. So our answer is 400. No, here already 50 centimeter is there. So 4 meter and 50 centimeter we can write 400 centimeter plus 50 centimeter. It's a value, both are centimeter. 400 plus 50, 450. So 450 centimeter. So the answer is 4 meter and 50 centimeter. You want to write these steps. Last you write 450 centimeter. It's clear? Once more I say. In 4 meter and 50 centimeter, just take 4 meter only. In 4 meter, how you convert? You multiply with 100. 4 into 100 is 400. So 4 meter we can get 400 centimeter. Then what do you want? 50 centimeter is there. So 4 meter and 50 centimeter we can write 400 centimeter plus 50 centimeter. Both are centimeter, so you can add both. 400 plus 50, 450. Remaining questions you do alone. After writing the answer only, you check your answer here. Finish? Can I say the answer? 8 meter and 30 centimeter. So 8 meter. 8 meter, how much centimeter? 8 into 100 centimeter. So 800 centimeter. Then 8 meter and 30 centimeter. So you go to 800 centimeter plus 30 centimeter. 800 plus 30, 830 centimeter. Clear? How many of them got this answer? Okay, very good. Okay, next question, 12 meter and 14 centimeter. 12 meter and 14 centimeter. So just convert 12 meter. 12 into 100. 1200 centimeter. Don't forget to say the centimeter and meter. Okay. Then 12 meter and 14 centimeter. We can write 1200 centimeter plus 14 centimeter. So after adding 1200 plus 14, 1214 centimeter. Clear? Next question. Convert centimeter to meter. Convert centimeter to meter. First question, 300 centimeter. B, 450 centimeter. C, 875 centimeter. Then D, 1478 centimeter. E, 3200 centimeter. 100 centimeter. So we know that in the previous problem we are discussed in 2 meter is equal to 2 into 100 centimeter. So here 3 into 100 centimeter means how much meter? Yeah, very good, 3 meter. So 3 meter is 300 centimeter. Clear? Next question, 450 centimeter. 450 you just convert this like 400 plus 50. One term in hundreds term and remaining numbers. Okay, 450 we can write 400 plus 50 centimeter. 400 centimeter, how much meter? Yeah, very good, 4 meter. Then 50 centimeter. In 50 centimeter, how much meter? Half meter. So 4 meter plus half meter. We can write 4.5 meter. Or we can write 4 meter and 50 centimeter. Both are correct. Okay. 4.5 meter. It's clear? The next question. Centimeter. So you write 800 centimeter plus 75 centimeter. 800 centimeter, how much meter? 8 meter plus 75 centimeter. So you can write 8 meter and 75 centimeter. Or 75 centimeter, how much meter? 3 by 4. So you can write 8 3 by 4 meter. 8 3 by 4 meter. Same way you want to do the remaining problems. Speed up. Yeah, 1478 centimeter we can write. 1400 plus 78. 1400 means it's 14 meter and 78 centimeter. That's enough. 14 meter and 78 centimeter. Next question, 3200. 3200 centimeter we can write. 32 into 100 centimeter. 32 into 100 centimeter. Yeah, this is 32 meter. Clear? So just convert this number to the multiple of 100 and remaining numbers as centimeter. So just write that. Okay, third question. An electricity pole is 20 meter away from 20 meter away from Arif house. What is the distance between the pole and Arif house centimeter. So an electricity pole. One electricity pole is the pole is 20 meter away from Arif house. Now you draw this. Okay, just for understanding only I just draw it. An electricity pole is 20 meter away from Arif house. What is the distance between the pole and Arif house in centimeters? So 20 meter. The distance between Arif house and pole is 20 meter. So that is equal to 20 meter means how you convert 20 into 100. 20 into 100, 2000 meter or centimeter. Yeah, 2000 centimeter. So 20 meter we convert to centimeter. How you get 20 into 100? 20 into 100, 2000 centimeters. Clear? Okay, dear children, today we have discussed half meter, quarter meter, 3/4 meter and 1 meter to centimeter. How to convert. And also next topic we have discussed meter to centimeter. How to convert centimeter to meter and meter to centimeter. I hope all are clear. This do all your workbook questions. Okay. Have a nice day. Thank you.